Hey my friends, here is another video for you, and I know you're going to appreciate this. So this is how I make my fufu. This fufu is a very healthy fufu, not your regular fufu that is packed with too many carbohydrates and then leave you with sugar in your blood at the end of the day. So I put the regular oats and I add lentils. Lentils will also help to check your high blood pressure. Then I add chia seeds. So this is very rich in protein. It will help you check your blood sugar. It will also help to check your cholesterol level. You know what I mean? And it has a lot of nutrients, a lot of minerals and vitamins that your body actually needs, not just 100% carbohydrates that will just sit down there in your body making you feel very heavy and bloated. No, this fufu is also for good living enthusiasts. You know what I mean? Or for even for the seniors, for the elder ones who wants to just keep it simple and healthy. This is the fufu you also want to consider. So after blending those and getting my dry flour, which is my super flour, then I get my boiled hot water and I add the flour. So I now start my turning. You know how you do your fufu? That is it. You just keep doing your thing. And then you turn and turn and turn. While you're turning, it is cooking. Okay, we also want to cook it because we have lentils there, which is protein. We also have the chia, okay? So after you keep doing it, you turn. As I'm turning, I am turning. Now, I also want to tell you a little bit of what this fufu will help you do. Like the chia seeds is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and this is very beneficial to your heart health. It lowers your cholesterol and also regulates your blood sugar. You also help with preventing blood clots. So you understand what I mean by decreasing inflammation and all those good stuff. And while the lentils, the red lentils, is also very beneficial. It has a lot of fiber, it has folate, it has potassium, which will also help to lower your high blood pressure. It helps to control your cholesterol and all those good stuff. Is also very rich in protein. While your oats has some carbohydrate there, okay, to give you that strength that you need. You also have some percentage, some grams of proteins and sugar. Your body needs all this, but your body needs them in a very regulated amount. So I finished my fufu, I call it my super fufu, you know what I mean? And I just enjoyed it with my soup. I just had remnant soup from my fridge and I'm like, why not? Okay. And here is me enjoying my super fufu, not your regular fufu, but this fufu is made with intentions behind the scene. You know what I mean? So you don't want to just have all that carbohydrate packed fufu and make you look all bloated and all you know what I mean? You know what I'm trying to say, okay? So it's your choice. So if you want to keep that weight under control, you want to keep some things under control, or you are just a healthy eating enthusiast like me, then you want to try this fufu. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, click that red button that shows subscribe. And I also want you to click the bell sign, the one that shows all. That way you'll receive every of my notifications anytime I send a video. Also, share this video. You never can tell who you will be helping at the end of the day. Leave me a comment. What do you think? Do you think this fufu is just is it just a hype, or do you think it does make sense? I want to hear from you. And also, what meal do you want me to prepare? What meal do you want me to to make pertaining to certain kind of health or something like that? Just leave me a comment or leave me an email and I will get back to you. So this is a super food, and I will see you in another video. Enjoy. And remember, we care. Stay healthy, eat healthy. We love you. Bye-bye.